Facebook, how to appear offline. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can appear offline on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to appear offline on Facebook, all you have to do is, let's say you want to appear offline and you don't want to show that you're online to your friends. Once you open Facebook, you can tap the three lines option from the top right, tap the gear icon located from the top right corner again, and just scroll down to audience and visibility tab. Here you'll find the option called active status, so you want to make sure to just turn off this toggle that says show when you're active. Now if you use Messenger, you have to do this from the Messenger app as well. So open Messenger, tap the three lines option here, tap the gear icon, and then simply go to active status and make sure to turn this toggle off, and no one else will be able to see when you are active on Messenger or on Facebook. This way you should be able to actually turn off or appear offline on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.